Hello everyone, welcome once again to another digital marketing related tutorial by Team Slidescope. In this part, we are learning what is llms.txt file and why is it useful for SEO or GEO in particular, generative engine optimization or generative engine optimization. So llms.txt is a plain markdown file which is placed at the root of a website. You can see the example here. So this is an llms.txt file. You can see it's a plain text and it has all important pages and content information. So you can see two hashtags pages, then you will see two hashtags posts, and then in a square brackets you will see information of the post. In round brackets you will see the link and some text. So this is how this file is there. Okay, then other information is also there. So it serves as a curated guide to your most important content, explicitly tailored for large language models or LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and others. It is different from robots.txt file. So robots.txt file instruct crawlers in what not to crawl. Suppose you have some admin directory or something that you don't want to index in Google or Bing search engine. So that is robot.txt, but this is different. It is also different from a sitemap. So a sitemap looks like this. If I press Ctrl U, so you can see this is a XML sitemap. It has all the URLs of your website which you want to index. When were these URLs last modified? It contains this information also. And in these XML tags, you write, and this particular thing is read by crawlers and they pick URLs from here and index in Google. So this is something you can do. So llms.txt is about curating the key content you want LLMs to prioritize during inference. What is LLM? Just for beginners, LLM stands for Large Language Model, is an advanced artificial intelligence model trained on massive amounts of text data to understand and generate human-like language. An LLM is a type of AI that can understand text and questions, generate answers, summaries, stories, or code. Every search engine is also now using LLMs to answer your queries. It can translate languages, it can assist in chatbots, writing tools, and more. Some examples are ChatGPT by OpenAI, Claude by Anthropic, Gemini by Google. They are used in search engines, content creation, customer support, education, and many other things. Then another question is why llms.txt matters. Traditional browsing of websites by LLMs often struggles with HTML noise, that is, menus, scripts, ads, leading to incomplete or inaccurate understanding. An llms.txt file helps LLMs find and fetch clean markdown representation of pages, making content easier to parse and increase accuracy in AI generated response. So here is simple thing. You did your research, you created the content by using your expertise, your authority, and once you did that, you added it as a blog or a page on your website. But that page might have different type of menus, scripts, ads. So yes, in SEO, meta titles and meta description is read, your images alt is read, and SEO reads the content in a different way. But for LLM to understand it, it has to fetch the clean markdown representation. So that's why this file is helping. It's not that if you will not add this file, it is bad for SEO, it is bad for GEO. But if you will add this file, then LLMs can easily read your content and they can add your content in answers. Recently in Google Analytics, I have seen that some traffic is coming from ChatGPT or Perplexity to my website. That means these websites are telling people about our content. Even our videos are getting indexed in these answers. So that's why it is important. So this is obviously this makes content easier to parse and increase accuracy in AI generated responses. What is the structure and design of this file llms.txt? A typical llms.txt file is structured in Markdown with a single H1 header for the site name, a block quote summary describing the site's purpose and audience. In H2 sections, example, two hashtags docs, two hashtags API, two hashtags optional, listing links to corresponding .md files or content pages, and two hashtag as you were seeing here. You can see two hashtag pages. So optional section to mark secondary resources that LLMs can skip if context space is constrained. Its example structure is like this: your project name, then so you write hashtag your project name, then short description of your site or its purpose like this, and then so first hashtag represents what is your project, what is your site and its purpose. Obviously we are going to modify that. Then here you can write something like docs, so you can write something like quick start API reference where you can put your MD files. Then you can write something like optional, or you can write something like pages. Then in square brackets you can write information about your pages, and then in round brackets you can mention the URL. If you need help in creating this file llms.txt file for your business, you can connect with us and we'll be happy to help you. How the links are organized and labeled helps guide LLMs towards your highest value content. Next is adoption and real world use of llms.txt file. The concept was introduced by Jeremy Howard in 2023 via answer.ai as a more AI focused alternative to SEO centric standards. Platforms like Webflow, Mintliffy, Cloudflare, and developer tools like FastHTML and Anthropic have started supporting or experimenting with llms.txt implementations. If you have a WordPress website and you are using plugins like Yoast SEO, so this file will be automatically added in your website and a new sitemap for this also be created. So here you can see it's a new sitemap, and you can like this sitemap will be read by different LLMs. So at present, major LLM providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, etc. have not officially stated that they consume these files, though early monitoring suggests some models and agents are crawling or indexing them. Now, what are the practical considerations? If you own or manage a website, particularly tech docs, blogs, or APIs, adopting llms.txt may give you a future edge in AI visibility and control. If you are just browsing or encountered llms.txt on someone else's site like SlidesGo, it likely offers a structured overview for AI models to access key resources more easily. In summary, llms.txt is an emerging AI-first standard designed to help LLMs navigate and understand your website in a cleaner, more structured way. And you can think of it as a curated summary for AI agent, complementing, not replacing traditional SEO files like robots.txt or sitemap.xml. You will add meta title, you will add meta description, you will add alt text to your images. You will put everything important or important keywords in your main headings or subheadings. That is something that you are keep doing, but this is something that you can experiment additionally and see if you are getting more traffic from these LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, particularly in your Google Analytics report. For example, like this, as you can see, getting some traffic. Obviously, this day it was less, but on some days we are getting good. So, this is something that you can do from here. If you need any help in doing this, you can connect with us or comment in the comment section. If this video helped you in understanding the concept, please like this video and I will place the link in description so that you can visit the URL and learn more about it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.